Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can optimize your Google Chrome and make it fast. I'm gonna give you a couple of steps to how to do that. So let's start the video. First of all, select those three dots on top of your right corner and scroll down and go to settings, and here just type preload and make sure this preload pages is on, and also click this extended pending. This is the first way, and after that scroll down and go to about Chrome and see if your Chrome is updated. It is already checking for the updates. If it's not updated already, it will automatically update your Chrome. And for the next steps, go to and here type Chrome Flex. You can see this one, and just type QUI Quick Protocol and make sure it's enabled. Just click it enable and select relaunch. Go to your Chrome again. Yeah, as you can see, the quick protocol is already enabled. And now go to the settings again and select those three dots again and click extension, click manage extension here. And as you can see, there are many extensions on my Chrome. This is the extension I usually use, but if you have any extension that you don't use regularly, just remove them. It will make your Chrome faster. And for the last step, go to the three dots again, go to settings and scroll down and select restart settings, and just select a restore setting to their original defaults. If you select this, all the settings will be restored to the original. So this is the video. In this few step you can optimize and make your Chrome faster. So I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.